Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.0% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
South Korean home appliance maker LG Electronics is diversifying its business portfolio by tapping into the autonomous vehicle industry. Daniel Williams invests in 4 businesses across Ukraine and said his projects are completely out the window as Russian-Ukrainian tensions mount. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has again delayed decisions on whether to approve or reject Bitcoin-related exchange-traded funds from ARK21 shares and Teucrium.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. gross domestic product annualized will be released at 13:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 01:01 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's Import Price Index at 0130 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.